Sir, how do you feel about the sentiments of First Lady Liza Marcos over Vice President Sara Duterte? Will it affect your working relationship with the Vice President and also your reaction to suggestions that it's timely that she be replaced in the cabinet?
Why? I don't see the reason behind that. But, well, first of all, my first reaction is what a lucky husband I am. That I have a wife very protective sa akin dahil mas may nakita hindi maganda sinabi tungkol sa akin. Yan, talagang she gets very upset. I guess we cannot blame her. It will not affect our working relationship with the Vice President, Secretary of Education. I think that she also, as a wife, understands how the First Lady feels when you have to sit there and listen to these attacks that are being made against your husband. But mag-uusap kami ni VP Sara, kami ni Inday Sara, mag-uusap kami tungkol dyan. So, huwag na masyadong dibdibin at yung hindi naman siya ang mga nagsabi tungkol sa ano-ano. Kaya madali naman siguro, madali naman siguro lang sa naging issue nito.
So sa meeting po natin, you will assure the Vice President that she will not be replaced as Deputy Secretary. She doesn't need my assurance.
She will be replaced. Any of the cabinet secretaries will be replaced pag hindi na ginagawa yung trabaho nila. All the other things are not part of the discussion. Pag hindi na kaya, nagkasakit, sabihin mo papalitan ka namin. O hindi talaga marunong, o kurap, hindi ba, tatanggalin ka talaga namin. Hindi naman ganun si Inday. Hindi ganun si Inday Sara.
So,
right?
Thank you.
So the talk with the Vice President will be to patch things up, not to,
I don't think we need to patch anything up. I think she understands, as I said, as a wife herself, she understands the sentiments of the First Lady. And our conversation will be precisely that. I am sure you understand how she feels because alam niyo, ang First Lady hindi sanay sa politika yan Kami manhid na kami dyan sa mga insulto, kung ano-ano, personal na insulto, ay policy, lahat. Manhid. Hindi siya galing sa political family. Kaya siguro, she still has to learn na magpalampas ng konti ng ibang masasakit at may init at maanghang sa salita. Okay?
Thank you.